So this Kraus sink came with a lot of really neat accessories that I'm excited to set up here. The first one is this rack that goes in the bottom of the sink just to set like all of your pans and things on. This is going to be so awesome to have in the bottom of here. And this is a workstation sink, so it's got a little like divot on either side right here. That way we can put these cutting boards, there's like a drying rack, different things like that that'll stick right on this little divot. This right here is a stainless steel strainer from Kraus. This should just set right on the edge of here. Fits perfectly. If you can't tell, I am extremely excited. This stuff has been in boxes for probably about 5 to 6 months, I would say. So I've just been patiently waiting for the countertops to get installed so that I could unbox all of these goodies, and I am so excited. I don't think I've ever been so excited to wash dishes and vegetables and fruit and things like that. So this is great to just pop right in here. You can have it over to the side, and then I can put all of my like cut up strawberries in here or blueberries, whatever I'm wanting to rinse. The next items are these 2 different cutting boards. So this one's got a round hole in it because it is for this big stainless steel bowl over here. So this one right here, like I said, is for the bowl. So this bowl sits right down in there. And this one right here is the second cutting board. This is a bamboo cutting board. This will just be great for all around. So this is awesome right here because on this cutting board, I can cut up my vegetables, fruits, whatever, and then transfer them over to the strainer, rinse them all off, they're good to go. This workstation sink and all these accessories are going to be so amazing to have in this kitchen. I'm going to get so much use out of this, and it just makes the everyday chores more fun, whether that be cutting up food or washing dishes. The last thing here that I almost forgot about is the drying rack that fits right across here. So this right here is a rubber drying mat. So this unrolls and it'll fit right here on your edge pieces. That is so awesome. And you can just feel that this is amazing quality. Like everything that I've unboxed from them, you can just feel the quality as soon as you pull it out of the box. So most days I might just leave this drying rack here. It's nice and slim and I still have plenty of room to wash like everyday dishes. Okay, so I'm gonna put some of this away, then we'll look at some backsplash, and then I'll show you the final shots of the kitchen.
And then we are installing the Workstation 32-inch undermount 16-gauge stainless steel single bowl kitchen sink here. And they did go ahead and do the main installation of this for us just because when they put in the countertop, they had to install the sink at the same time. But then Jalen ended up finishing hooking it up, and he hooked up the faucet here as well. I love that the drain on this sink is offset over here to the right, and then also the bottom of the sink is sloped gently just to help to prevent the water from pooling in the sink, and it all flows easily towards that drain. It's just been awesome these last couple of days that I've been using it to wash dishes and things, and it also is fully insulated with a noise defend, and it's got extra thick pads, protective coating to help absorb noise and vibration. And yeah, it's just a really awesome deep workstation sink. It's from Kraus, and then the faucet is also from Kraus, and this beautiful faucet is the 18-inch commercial style pull down kitchen faucet in matte black.